Hey guys, we're bringing in the new year. We're talking about protein today, and it triggers protein synthesis, which is going to build up your muscle tissue. It's going to help eliminate hunger, and it's going to reduce your body fat. All right, guys, there's a lot of points of why protein is amazing. Point number one is that eating protein is going to help increase that muscle protein synthesis. And the reason you want that is because your body's constantly fluctuating between muscle loss and muscle gain. The more times you replenish that pool of protein, you're actually going to be on that muscle gain fluctuation. Point number two I want to share is that it's going to help you fill up quicker and eat fewer calories, because studies have shown that when people eat higher protein diets, it fills them up and satisfies them for longer. Therefore, you're going to kind of cut back on how many calories you're eating through your day. Point number three is that it's going to make fat loss even easier for you, because it not only keeps your hunger at bay, but it has this cool effect of burning more calories when you're digesting it. It's called the thermic effect of food. And what it does is it means your body is taking a lot more calories to burn off to digest protein than it is like carbs and fat. So it actually takes twice the amount of calories to burn off protein than it does the others. Protein is going to preserve your lean muscle mass, which is also going to raise your resting energy expenditure. And what that is how many calories you're burning when your body's at rest. Point number four is that there's greater muscle development when you're even supplementing with protein. Both strength training and consuming protein build muscle when they're done separately. So when you pair them two together, that's like a dynamic duo of building muscle mass. So you actually want to spread out your protein through your day, because if you give it all in one shot, if you're trying to digest 60 grams of protein in 1 hour, your body's not going to be able to use it all. So what you want to do is dose about 20 grams of protein every 3 hours throughout your day, and that's going to give you greater muscle mass. Point number five is that protein is going to make your bones stronger and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. This is especially good for the ladies. Higher protein intake are going to strengthen your bones, because when your body breaks down proteins into the amino acids, those get formed into your bone mass. The next point is for better brain function. So protein is a vital brain food. It's going to help with the building blocks and make up all these chemical messengers that are involved in energy production, motivation, hunger, and even your optimal cognition. Protein is also going to help you get better sleep. High protein diets have been found to help people sleep and wake up less during the night, as opposed to high carb diets. Protein is going to optimize your chemical transmitter balance, which means you're going to be more wakeful and aware during the day, but then also more restful and peaceful at night. And so the last thing that it's going to help you give is a better lifespan and quality of life as you age. Physical strength, muscle mass, leanness, bone health, cognitive functions, these are all things that are going to help keep you alive for long. All right, guys, so if you liked all the stuff you heard about protein and want to add more of it to your diet, you can actually get it in our gym. We have these two proteins. These are the two that I recommend that you take, because they're all natural, and this one is actually all organic. And what you can do is get an upgraded membership. And what that is every month your bill gets drafted, we'll give you a bottle of protein for a reduced price than what we sell it in the gym.